In this video, I will show you how to add text outline in Canva. There is two methods available. Let's see the first method. First, select your text. Then click on Effect. Now click on Outline Effect. As you can see the results. Now let's see the second method. Select your text. Now duplicate the same text that you want to add an outline effect. Then click on Effect. Now click on Hollow Effect. Now select any one color that you like. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel for more tutorial like this.